Hey guys, this is the last part of our API 577 welding inspection and metallurgy examination series of videos. The last part, I'm going to present you our training courses. That's not compulsory, but it will help you a lot if you, um, you know, study our, because it talks about, it is focused your study plan. So if you go API 577, you can see that we have four types of courses. The hybrid training course, which is a combination of full online course plus 24 hours of classroom training. The full online course, which has 8 hours of video, 171 lectures, 1,250 questions, 2,000 slides, 6 months access with another 6 months free renewal. And there's a certificate of achievement for 24 CPD if you need recertification with any other um, uh, certificate, and also 48-hour money-back guarantee for your complete peace of mind. If you know the ASME ASME 9, ASME 5, and API 577 fully, and you just need to practice some questions, then we have a premier package that has 2,000 flashcards. Again, the same 1,250 questions, but no lessons. And cheapest and the most concise one is the exam package with 1,250 questions, 600 flashcards. I'm going to go through the API 577 and present the course, and also show you where you can find, you can try our free quiz, and it all tells you what this course is. I start what you get when you purchase this course. The course is structured module-wise. It talks about all the modules, sets of flashcards. It's got lots of flashcards, mock exam questions, as you can see, with explanation, and the mock exam questions are same way designed as the API exam. It's got flag off button, everything. So all this that we said in these videos and more, they are in this first 10 lessons, 8 or 10 lessons, and with cross-reference, with lots of videos, what to expect at exam day, where to start, and how your study plan should be. Even if you're not purchasing, this could be very handy for you. There's some pro tips, and introduction to body of knowledge, high scoring areas. There is a slide talking about the exam tips that you can see here. And also there is a benchmark quiz that you can, that as you see, it shows the progress, it's timed, and also you can use the flag off button, and you can see the answer immediately. It is free completely for you, and it tells you where you can find the answer and why this is right and that is the wrong answer. And or you can see the whole answer later on. Yeah, I mean, like it's a good investment, I suppose, if you want to go for it and you don't want to fail. Plus, you get a certificate of achievement. Plus, you got a 48 hours money back guarantee. So that's about it. If you have any questions, we have WhatsApp support. I'm asked to do all the technical queries, and Marcus does all that. Access on IT, any payment is Mosca that you can write to us, and we will normally answer within 1 hour most of the time or immediately. Thank you for watching, and we speak soon.